Welcome, welcome, boys. In this video, we're going to have Katie doing the automotive repair. And this is how to change your wiper blades on your 05 Neon.
You're going to tilt them so it's halfway. You got this little hooky thing and push down. Okay, and just slide them off.
Well, that's pretty easy. So you may be wondering then, why are we even doing a video on this? Because some wipers aren't this easy.
No, sometimes putting them on is a pain in the ass.
Well, what the problem is, so a couple weeks ago when I was working secondary at the old Advanced Auto Parts, some fellas came in and they kept buying the wrong wipers, and they kept going in and out and coming back and forth. And then I thought to myself, wouldn't it make more sense just to pull your wipers off to begin with and then come in and then get the right ones? So that's why we're doing this. So in case you're that guy and you're too lazy to pull your wipers off and walk them into the auto parts store, perhaps then you can at the very least watch a video beforehand while you're popping a squat on your couch, grab your wipers, or watch the video rather, and then you don't have to grab your wipers, you'll be able to walk right in. So what we have for the Neon are these Rain-X Latitude water repellency 2-in-1, 18 and 21 inch respectively. 18 inch goes on the passenger side, 21 inch goes on the driver's side, and per Katie she paid $15 a pop for them at Walmart. And per her, 18 normally, because she can't talk into the camera. She, for some reason, even though she's standing right here, has to tell me and I have to relay it to you guys.
If I understood this right, there's 3 styles that it can do. I'm doing the hook. So I believe, if I understood that right, you're just going to pull that tab back, shove your hook through and pull like you normally would.
Then do it. Don't forget to remove your protective thingy.
Yes, and remove the protective thing.
It says remove before installation, Katie.
Well, I wanted to make sure I was doing it right.
Or maybe it says before use. Let's specify.
Before use.
Okay, so we're lucky then. I'll let it slide this time that you did it before installation.
Okay, now I got these ones down. I couldn't remember because I've had some where you had to take them apart.
Okay, you're still talking to people.
Okay. Well, hi, people.
Talk to people what you're doing here.
I'm going to pull that tab down. I don't want to move off that one.
Not strong enough, huh?
Well, the other one just snapped. Makes me wonder if it's open.
But that felt good.
Ah.
There we go. I think you're backwards there, Holmes.
It probably feels like it's not right, though.
Oh, it's right. Perfect. Congratulations. And that's how you successfully replace the windshield wiper blades on your 05 Dodge Neon.
Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.